Hello there, welcome to the official demo of Ultimate POS. In this demo, we will look into the SAS and Super Admin module for Ultimate POS. So after we have already installed the Super Admin module, you will see a Super Admin menu over here. So here we have different menus like Super Admin, All Businesses, Packages, Package Subscription, Super Admin Settings and Communicators. So here in the dashboard, you can see all the different statistics related to your business like number of new subscribers, number of new registered businesses and number of businesses who have not subscribed to any of the packages. You can click on this today, this week, this month or this year and you can view all the different details of it. So here if I will go to the all businesses, in the all businesses it will show the list of all the different businesses which are present in the POS system. You can like manage different businesses, you can add subscription, you can deactivate or as well as delete the business. So let us click on this manage business over here. So here in the manage business it will show you all the details of this business like number of different locations and the packages which this business has subscribed, detailed list of all the different packages. Here you can also see all the users which are present in this business. You can also update the password for different users of this business. So let me go back to the all businesses. Here you can add subscription, like you can select the package, you can select like the package. After selecting package you can select a payment method over here and you can enter a transaction ID for the particular payment method. You can also add a new business from the super admin module. If I will click on this new business, here it will show me the form to enter all the details of a new business. Similarly, we can deactivate a business. If I click on this deactivate, I can deactivate a business. You can also delete a business from here. So let us go to the packages over here. So using package, you can create different packages which a business has to subscribe to use the POS system. So let me go to the adding a new package. Here you can add name of the package. Like let me name it as new package. You can add some description over here. You can enter number of business locations which this package mm, number of business locations which will be allowed for this particular package, number of active users which will be allowed for this package, number of products which will be allowed, number of invoices which they can generate in this particular invoice, and the pricing interval. Like if you want to price in months or in year or in days, you can enter different details over here. Like you can select, like if suppose you wanted to pricing interval as 1 month, you can select the month over here and you can enter the interval as one. You can enter like trial days, number of days, trial days for this particular package, and the price over here. So if suppose you will input the price as 0, then it will take this package as a free package, like the user will won't have to pay to use this package. You can also change this, like the currency which is displayed over here. In this demo it is showing as USD, but you can change it to any of your currencies. You can also like add a sorting order. Like sorting order is something like the order in which it will be stored in the pricing page. So if the package is like private super admin module only, then it will only be visible to super admin only. So super admin can assign it from the package subscription, like from the business. Super admin can subscribe, can add this package to any of the business. It will not be shown in the public pricing page. You can also have a like one time subscription meaning, if suppose we have a free package and we want any of the business to only subscribe this package for once, then we have to use this one time package. So user won't be allowed to use this package twice or like more than once. And like different modules options are present over here. Like if you have also installed essential modules or manufacturing module, project module, e-commerce module, like all these different modules options are present for this package. If you will enable any of these, it will enable this particular package, this particular module for any of these businesses. And here we have enable custom link. So what this custom link is, like if suppose like you want to Like, do you want to discuss something, like you want to have a custom link for the payment, then you can have like this custom, enable custom subscription link over here. Like you can enter your PayPal link over here or any of your payment link over here. You can enter the link and you can enter the custom link text over here. So that's all about the package. Like in the package you can manage different things. Similarly, package can be edited, it can be deleted. So let me go to the edit of this package. So here in the edit of this package, like we have another option, update existing subscription. So by default, what happens is, like if suppose some businesses already subscribed to this package and they have started using this package, but if suppose like you have updated number of products to 300, from 30 you have updated it to 300, then what will happen is, like the already subscribed businesses, they will not get this 300 products, they will only have a 30 products. So to update the subscription of existing package, we have to like click on this option, update existing subscription, and click on the save. So what this will do is, like it will update all the existing subscription, like all the businesses who are already using this particular package, the their subscription will get updated. Next we have is super admin settings. Here in the super admin settings, you can enter like the business name, email address, currency. Here you can select the currency of this particular, like for this POS system, or like for this packages. Like for these packages, you can select the currency over here. You can enter some landmark, zip code, state, city, country, like minimum days for subscription expiry alert. So if suppose a business has already subscribed to a package of 1 month, and like if he is in his 25th day, then he will get a email alert of his like subscription already getting expired. You can enter any days, like any amount of days over here, and the business will get a alert that many days before his subscription get expired. And here we have the application setting. You can enter application name, application title, you can set a default language, you can enable terms and conditions in the registration. What this will do is, like when someone is registering from the public page, then it will show a terms and conditions, like it will show a terms and conditions checkbox. You can enter some terms and conditions over here. You can enter all the SMTP details, payment gateway, you can enable offline payment gateway, you can enable like Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, PayPal. There are like many different payment gateways are present over here. And we have a like backup, so you can take a backup in the local server, or like you can upload the backup into Dropbox. Then we have a cron job, like it will show the command for the cron job here. Then we have a pusher setting, like pusher, it will send a desktop notification to all the businesses. You can enter all the pusher settings over here. You can enter any additional JavaScript and CSS which will be like rendered in all the pages. And after like setting all these different things, you can click on this update. Then we have a communicator module here. So using communicator, like you can send messages to different businesses. Like I can select all the different businesses present in my POS system who are subscribed to this POS system, and I can enter some subject over here, and I can enter some messages, and it will, if I will click on the hit button, it will, on the send button, it will send an email to all the businesses. So that's all in the super admin module. Let me just show you the pricing page. If I will click on the sign out here, I will go if I will go to the pricing, you can see like all the pricing page over here. It is showing me all the different packages. You can like customize all these packages from the super admin module. It is showing like free for 1 month, pricing over here, all the different features which are present in this particular package. Anyone like click on this register and subscribe, they can register, they can provide all their business details and start using the POS system. So that's all in the super admin module. Thank you.